Hey beautiful! Because it's finally almost Christmas, today we're making these Christmas tree cupcakes. I'm going the easy route today by using a box cake mix, but I will be posting my favorite vanilla cupcake recipe down in the description box below, so check it out. If you decided to use the box cake mix, combine all the ingredients listed and follow the instructions according to the box. Now divide the batter up into 3 equal parts. Take the first bowl and color it with red food coloring. Gel food coloring would be the best option because it has the most concentrated pigment compared to any other type of coloring. Even 2 or 3 drops goes a long way. In one of the other bowls, add in the green food coloring and mix once again. And don't add in any color to the third bowl. Take your muffin pan and line each one with the cupcake liner. Add in each color of batter into the tin 1 spoonful at a time, and this will give the marbled effect to the cupcakes. Repeat this until each of the cupcake liners have been filled 3/4 of the way up. Once you've used up all your batter, take a toothpick and we're going to make some simple swirls. Make sure not to overdo it or else the colors are going to mix and it's going to turn into an unpleasant color, which is not what we want. Bake this until a toothpick comes out clean when inserted in the center of a cupcake and allow them to cool completely. After our cupcakes have been cooled, pipe a circle of vanilla buttercream around the rim of each cupcake. We're going to be coloring the rest of our frosting with the green food coloring. If you want a slightly dark color, try adding a little bit of brown food coloring for a deeper green. I'm using ermine frosting because it's my personal favorite for decorating. I will be posting the recipe for the frosting soon, so make sure to check it out. Place a sugar cone face down on top of the frosting and press it down slightly so that it sticks. We're then going to take a piping bag fitted with the smallest star tip filled with the green buttercream. Pipe a dollop of the frosting starting at the bottom and then work your way all the way to the top. Repeat this with the rest of your cupcakes and then you're done. You could either dust this with powdered sugar or decorate with sugar candies, or you could even do both. And that's it. I hope you enjoy and have a wonderful winter. Bye, I'll see you soon.